Biden speaks to Saudi Arabia King Salman about regional issues including the end of the Yemen war. At least 17 people have been killed in airstrikes carried out by the United States in eastern Syria. In Afghanistan, at least 3 people have been killed and 5 more wounded in an attack by unidentified armed men. In India, the fascist Modi regime is stepping up its effort to curb the freedom of expression. Pakistan and Qatar signed a 10-year LNG agreement in Islamabad today on Friday. UK Supreme Court rejects Daesh bride Shamima Begum legal bid to return. Myanmar security forces disperse anti-coup protesters. The United States and European Union say vaccine program on track as global death hit 2.5 million.